I just collected the mounting pins for Martin Tapp at Pontypridd. As you can see, a really good job. The reason for making a new one, had to burn the other one to get the engine out. We tried everything, couldn't move it, so we had to get another one made, which, as you can see, is a cracking job. So all the other parts again together. Front nose is done. The cab is ready for the final paint. Rubber strips done. Radiator done. So covers done. Covers. Fuel tank. You can see she's been lined out as it was in its day with British Rail, with black lines. So that's how it was when it was in service with British Rail. So we're surrounded by yellow parts at the moment, so a few other things to do this week, but the weekend on Saturday I'm going to start putting bits on the engine. I'm going to take this cover up to be checked, it'll fit alright, and over the next week or so they'll finish off the cab as well. Now we've got good weather, now's the time to do it. They've got more paint arrived, so everything's looking good. It's going to look nice. The machine's going to look really good when it's together. I would like to get hold of a side tip bucket, but she got 4-in-1 at the moment. So the next thing I got to concentrate on is getting 4-in-1 pipes bent and flanges welded for the arms. But it's getting there. I reckon the project's 50%, 55% done, and hopefully before the end of the summer it'll be up and running. So I'm really pleased with this job. I couldn't get any replacements anywhere, so it's nice to see firms that can actually still do this type of work, especially locally. It's only in Pontypridd, which is a quarter-of-an-hour drive away, so chuffed to bits for that. So I'll do a bit of filming on Saturday. We've put some bits on, the starter motor going to go back on, dynamo back on, but it's been a busy week this week. Sanded down the load of arms on the boom on the RB10 a couple of days ago, so it's been a productive week really. So till next time.